Hello Jamal Tumal, I hope that you are doing well. And as you can see, this is my project, and we are in the continuing of the project. As you can see, the start and finish the times of project are written here. And now our goal is to make our stakeholders. For example, we can show in our Gantt chart, like for example, project charter signing. Project manager is deal with this process, and for example, developer is deal with the front-end development, and so on. Let's start to write our project stakeholders in our resource sheet. Firstly, I am the project manager. And these are the rate of work and the salary and so on. We will design it later. And additionally, me is a project manager. I wrote the role of me as a PMO. Then let's say we have Farid Mehdiev as a procedurement. We write it as broke. Then we have the legal person, which is, for example, Ibrahim Hasanov. We write it like this. Then we will have Latif Asjarov as an analyst. Yes. Then we have Javidan Hadler as a technicant, for example. Then we have Yadigar Yusufov let's write him as a developer. Then we need the second developer. Let's write his name Ali Amra the developer. Then we'll have Asim Asjarov let's write him as a developer 2. Then we will have Hussein Baliev let's write him as a testing, responsible for testing. Then we will need the business analyst. Let's write business. Then let's write Ralph. Then Let's write him email. Then Ali Fikri. Let's write him as a designer. Yes, my stakeholders in the project are these people, and let's talk about the salary of the stakeholders, and also we will have the percentage of the work that someone is deal with in a day, for example. For example, the most of the stakeholders has the full time, but for example, let's say that Ibrahim Hasanov and Cabdan Hacılı has 50%. İbrahim Hasanov and Cabdan Hacılı. Yes. Then we can write the salaries. Let's write the salaries. Let's write to other $20 per hour. Then 15, 15. Then we can write 15 also to Zavidan. Then our developers, let's write 25, 25, 25. Then we can write 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, and for designer let's write 25. Yes, these are our stakeholders, and the percentage of the work is shown, and the salary, their salaries are shown. And after this we should write the materials, for example license or servers that we need. Let's write them. We will need HP server. It's not the work, it's actually material. Then we will need database license. Then we need installation. Then we need web page design and delivery. Sorry. And delivery cost. All of these are not work. These are material. And yes, this also, this it should be cost. Yes. Then let's write, for example, the HP server. We will spend $8,000. Then database license $500. then yes, then installation $2,500. Then web page design, let's write $1,200. Yes, the stakeholders part and the materials part of our project is ready. Let's change it to Gantt chart, and now we should include the stakeholders to the processes. Which stakeholder does which process? Let's begin to write it. Firstly, project charters. They are written in the resource names part. Yes. Let's write in initiation other surely as a project manager will do it. Then project charter signing also other surely. Then kickoff meeting we will also have other surely. Then and we will have this shows that the work it is overworked. The stakeholders is overworked. And then acquire sponsors also other should right as a project manager. Yes. Then we will need analysis software requirements. Let's write them as an analyst. We can write sorry this also could be other no. And let's delete this. We don't need it. Yes, as an analyst, we write the Lativascherov to there. Then prepare software specification document. I wrote as a project manager. Then develop a budget. We can write Azar Guliev because it is the business analyst. Azar Guliev. Then develop timeline. We can write Azar Shule as well. Then we have general architecture. We can write as a technical tab'dan hazırlığı. Then database modeling. We can write also tab'dan hazırlığı. Then we have develop a logo. We can write the designer Ali Şükürlü, and also we can write here also Ali Şükürlü. Then we will have vendor selection. we can write it the project manager and procurement guy Azer Şükürlü, and let's write also add Farid Mehdiyev. Then contract preparation, the legal guy and the project manager and the procurement guy will be responsible for this contract preparation. Let's write Azer Şükürlü, then Farid Mehdiyev, then I think Ibrahim, yes, Ibrahim Hasanov. Yes, then we will have contract signing. We can write this also, what we write in the previous. Azer Şükürlü. Yes. Azer Şükürlü, Farid Mehdiyev, İbrahim Hasanov. And for delivery, these are the materials that we included in the previous, in the resource sheet. Let's write them. The HP server we have, for example 1 unit, and let's write the cost. Yes, it's not related. And the license, let's write it this 3. Then we will have delivery cost, yes, and these are, let's write it, yes, and as you can see our values are written here. 8,000, and the database license, one of them costs 500 manat, and 3 of them cost 1,500 manats. And let's continue with the develop test cases. The person who is responsible from the develop test cases is same value, and we will need installation in this installation. Yes, then we have development. In the development phase, we will need the developers to manage it. And let's write Ali Amrahlı to this. Yes. Then in this, let's write Yadigar Yusufov. Then in this, let's write to stakeholder, and we also have web page design in the front-end development. Let's write it web page design. Yes, and we will need, for example, we will have 7 pages. Yes, the cost, as you can see, the cost. This is the seller the whole seller of the stakeholder developer, for example. Then we will have update data to website. We can write developers Ali Emrahli, and Asim Askarov to there. Then about testing, we can write same value. Then this is also testing, again same value. Then user acceptance tests, the testing again same value, and the marketing activities business manager will do it, Azar Guliyev, and buffer time, let's write Raf Şükürlü. Yes, as you can see, we included the stakeholders to our project, and we will have we can have also breaks. For example, the break for the whole stakeholders, for example Novruz Bayramı and so on, and vacation for personal choice from the stakeholders. And let's look at it and where it is. I think it is in project. Yes, change working time. We can write the new year as a break from, for example, December 30 to January 5. Also, we will have, for example, 8 March, 8 March. It starts at March 8, and in there also March 8. Yes. Also, we will have Novruz holiday. It will begin in the mostly in March 17 to March 25 or something. Oh, sorry, 25. Yes, this vacation. This vacation is the is for the all stakeholders, and also we can change the personal one. For example, Yadigar Yusufov says that I need vacation, for example, in January, from January, for example, 15 to January 20, for example. Also, for example, Azerguliyev also can say that I also need the vacation from February, for example, 7 to February, for example, 11. When we do this, there will be the change time in the there will be changes in the time of the project. And let's after this we can add the cost, and now we can see that this 58,000 shows that how much money do we need for the whole project, and the others are the salary of stakeholders and what we spent to material cost. Yes, this shows it, and our chart, you can see our chart here. Yes. Now we can show the work complete. For example, yes, let's continue. I don't know, sorry, but I don't know that why it could like this, could be like this. Yes, as you can see in there, we can write the how many percentage of the work is done. If the all is done, we can write, for example, let's the 1000, for example, and also we can write also this shows that all which percent of the all project is done, and also we can write, for example, in there 50%, and we said that this is our cost, the total cost, and We can also show the actual cost. What is actual cost? For example, let's write the work procedure, for example, done. Yes, procedure done. For example, design is done, and our actual cost can change. What does it mean? For example, let's choose the vendor selection. If we don't have this value, if we have more than it, for example 10,000 50 500, it will change and it will show us the actual cost right now. Yes, all this are, I think I mentioned. Our chart is here, is in here. Yes. Yes, now we can show the report. For example, we can choose dashboards and cost overview. As you can see, how many the completed of work and the full cost, the remaining cost, for example, as you can see. Yes, I think we are done, and all these are here. Thank you for watching.